Today I'm going to show you how you can create a custom zoom in effect using the CapCut video editor app. So first thing you want to do is make sure that you have the app opened, and then you want to go and select new project. From here you want to select the clips that you want to edit to put into your project. So I'll just go ahead and select this one right here. It's of my cute little dog Linus. And then the way that we are going to do this is we are going to use keyframes. So to use a keyframe, what we need to do is we need to select the clip. And then this little white vertical line is our playhead. So we want to, wherever we want to start the zoom, we want to position the playhead there. Then what we want to do is select the little icon up here that looks like a little diamond, like a little plus icon right there. That is going to add a keyframe. Now, what a keyframe does is it allows you to gradually introduce a certain effect over time. So we're going to need to use two of them. We have one keyframe here, and then let's say I want it to zoom in very, very slowly. So I'm going to drag where I want the zoom effect to stop zooming in. From here, I can go ahead and select another keyframe. And then what I want to do is tap on the little video clip itself and pinch and zoom in and place it where I want it to be. So now what's going to happen is it's going to slowly zoom in and then stop once it reaches that other keyframe. Now let's say that zoom was too slow for you and you wanted to pinch in and zoom really quickly. Well, what you can do is you can tap on the keyframe, and then you can get rid of that keyframe by selecting the little diamond icon again, but now it has a little minus symbol next to it and it will get rid of that keyframe. Then you can go ahead and reposition the playhead, and this time you're going to want to position it much closer to your original keyframe. You want to select the keyframe, and then you want to pinch in. And maybe you want to be a really dramatic zoom in, so you go real close. And then now, it pinches in really quickly. So you can see it reaches the keyframe and then it punches in real quick. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.